Hey Mark, just a quick run through to show you how to add us on as a business manager or onto your ads account. There's a couple of ways you can do it. Probably the easiest way is once you log into business.facebook.com, you'll come to a page either like this or like this. So if you've got more than one business manager, they'll show up. So then just click through whichever one is relevant. So if you've only got one, it will take you to a page like this. Now what you need to do is just click up the top here, go to all tools and then find business settings. And once you're in this page here, you want to get down. You can either, there's two ways to do this. You can jump here to partners, click that add partners, and I'll shoot you through our business ID. That's one way. Or the second way is to jump down, and we'll need access to pages and the ad account so we can actually run stuff from the Luxland page. So this will apply for both Facebook and Instagram if you've got separate pages, but just you can just go down, find find your page there. You probably will only have one. So when you find it, you can either just hit assign partner, and then as the role, make sure it goes as a page admin. You'll get generated a link, shoot us that link, and then do the exact same for ad accounts. So then just go to your Luxland ad account. Same thing. You should have an assign partner button here. Click admin, copy that, and then just send those links to us, and then that should bring that over to ours. Or the other option is to do it this way. So if you could sort that out as well, that'd be cool. We can get started on everything and just make sure we've got everything ready to go pretty much. And then when we get approval from you, we've got the green light, we can just get started. Any questions, give me a shout.